Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make popcorn. So let's get on to it. So first of all, before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the like button. So also, if you turn on the post notifications button, you can be one of the first people to get my videos. So let's get on to it. So first, the main ingredients, which basically the onion. So what you need, popcorn packet, some butter, and then a pan and a lid. So now I'm just gonna grab the camera here. So what you wanna do, take the lighter, if you have one. Okay, so take your lighter and put it on. So now, what you're gonna do, take your butter and your pan. So what you're gonna do, take the pan, put it on top. I'm gonna put it on low heat, just to be careful. And also, if you guys are not accompanied by an adult, be careful, because this is really dangerous. And I'm really scared myself. But so that's the start. So now you want to take your butter and what I did, I cut my butter into pieces. So I'm just going to put 3 pieces in of that. Maybe I'll just add a couple more to add some flavor. So there's the butter. So now I'll take my packet, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scissors and cut. So this is what you should get, and then begin to empty it. And do this very quickly, or else, it will begin to pop and you do not have time to put on the lid. So I just want to put all the seeds in. I'll put this, what I'm doing. Okay, now the seeds are out. Put on the lid. And now you just have to wait. So I'll just grab the camera so you guys can see. Here you go. So yeah. Basically, that's what should happen. And now the process will begin. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna get a bowl. So just grab a bowl. So take like a glass bowl. You can also take a metal bowl. Just completely fine. So now you're gonna have to put it like this. I'm just gonna grab this box thing so I can hold camera. Extremely stupid camera angle, actually. That does not work. This box thing is too big. Okay, so now the popping process should begin. And be careful, because this thing pops really fast. It's extremely scary. If you're doing this for the first time, I've done this 3 times, so I'm that scared. So yeah, it's beginning to pop. Yeah. So yeah, you heard the pop. So just quickly, I'm going to take it off once to see how the melting process is going. So as you guys can see, the butter is beginning to melt and the popcorn has begun to start. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put the camera over here. Wait, actually no, find a better spot for the camera. Like a stand. How hot is this? Right. So now what you want to do, so this is your pan. So now the popcorn will begin to pop like this. So like this. Then you constantly want to move it so it's not on top of each other. And now I'm going to put it on high heat. A little bit. Yeah, just for like a good 1 to 2 minutes so the butter can melt and the popping process can begin. And you shouldn't put it on high flame for so long because it will burn, which happened to me before a lot. So be careful with the heat. So now you can hear the butter sizzling. So what that means is that now that the butter is sizzling, the popcorn will be ready to pop. See, you can hear it. So far it's going so good, pretty good. So it's beginning to. So as you guys can see, it's about to pop. So it's about to pop. See, if you guys can hear the air is coming out and it will yeah, you guys can hear it's beginning to pop. See, did you guys hear that? Popped, boy. It took a minute. Okay, so now it's beginning to pop. I wish I could show you guys, but it's extremely dangerous. So here you go. So it's beginning to pop now. You guys can see, I think you can see. Yeah, it's beginning to pop. Yeah, nicely beginning to pop. That air extremely moderately. So now what's happening is the popcorn is beginning to pop. It's nearly done. I'm just gonna wait another 30 seconds and it'll be done. So now the popcorn looks done. So now I'm just gonna tickle it this way. And I'll turn it off. So now the popcorn should be done. So if you guys can see, the popcorn is cooking and it's about done. It's done. So the popcorn is now done. So I turned off the stove. I think it's done. It's taking a while. I think that's it. Oops, I dropped it, sorry. So the popcorn has popped. I think that was a bit too much popcorn and the bowl is a bit too big. So if you guys can see, the popcorn's ready. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!